Given an array list and target, we have to find index I and j such that array of I plus array of j equal to target. Means element array of place I plus array at place j should sum up to target. For that, we will use the formula target minus array of I equal to result and the result in dictionary. If the dictionary stores the array element as key and the index as the value. Now we'll check target 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4 in dictionary. No, the dictionary is empty. If it is not there, we'll simply add 3 and the index of 3. Now we'll check 7 minus 4 is 3, and we'll check it if it is already there in dictionary. Yeah, it's already there. So what we will do, we will return index of 4. Index of 4 is nothing but a of I, which is equal to 4, where a of 1 equal to 4. So here I equal to 1 or the remaining value. We will create an empty dictionary first. Then we will loop through the array elements. In our case, it's nums. Then we will check if target minus element which is present at current index which is nothing but the remaining element in dictionary. If it is there in dictionary, then we will simply return index of the remaining element, which is dictionary nums I and the current index. So we got the pair index, we will return. If we are unable to find the remaining element in the dictionary, we'll just add the current element in the dictionary. Dictionary of current value, which is nothing but the current element, will store the value as index. Now let's run the program. Okay, there's some error. So it's target minus nums of dictionary, nums of I. So it's target minus nums of I in dictionary. Now let's run. If we are able to solve NEET code 150, then we are mostly ready for most of the interviews.